Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to create a glow effect in Photopea. Open the Photopea website on your web browser. Select the size and add the picture from your device here. On the left and right side, there are different tools to edit. Go to the tabs on the top bar to get more options. Right-click the layer on the right side and select Duplicate. Next, make 2 copies of the layer 1. Click the Layer button and choose the Overlay option. Select the other layer and then choose the Screen option. Now, click the Layer tab on the top right side and go to Smart Object. Then, select Convert to Small Object. Right-click the layer and click Blending options in the drop-down menu. Now, select the Blend option to Green and Blend Mode to Screen. Click OK to apply changes and then duplicate the layer again. Next, click the Filter tab and go to the Blur option. From the further options, select Gaussian Blur and select the radius. Click OK and select the top layer. Now, select the Soft Light option to apply it to the layer. Click the circle icon at the bottom and select the Color Lookup option. Next, in the pop-up section, click the LUTs option and select Vireo 37 CUBS. Select the Color Picker tool on the left side and choose the color according to the image. Then brush it all over the image to add the glow. After that, click the Brush button on the right side and select the size of it. Select the opacity of the paint and brush it all over the image. Now, your photo with the glow effect is ready to save. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.